In today's video, let me show you how to use the Binance Launchpool feature. Now, this is a feature that is available within the Binance application, which locks the eligible cryptocurrencies to farm as well as earn brand new tokens with no extra cost. In order to use this feature, you just need to head over to the mobile app of Binance and then head over to the launch pool option that you should be able to view within the more options or within the more features section that is visible. So just tap on the launch pool option. Now, before you can do this, make sure your account is verified, meaning your KYC is verified within Binance. Only once your account is verified, you'll be able to use this feature. You'll also need to fund your spot wallet with supported staking assets. Now, once you ensure both of these criteria, you just need to head over to the launch pool option and then lock in your tokens. You'll need to choose a specific asset pool that you already hold, such as BNB pool or FTUSD pool that you already have available on spot. Once this step is complete, you need to then collect your rewards. To claim your rewards, you just need to tap on claim rewards that would be visible anytime during the farming countdown. So this is the exact steps that you can follow or that you need to follow in order to use the Binance Launchpool feature. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.